Alright folks, so I'm going to make some rice in the truck. So I just thought maybe I'd show you exactly how I do it, because I don't have a stove and it's a little difficult. It ain't that difficult, it's actually very simple. But basically rice, you want a 2-to-1 ratio water rice. Very simple. You know, Uncle Roger will tell you to use fingers. You don't need to use fingers, just eyeball it. It's not that hard. And with me, anytime I make something that's you know, anytime I make something that you boil in water, you want to put salt in the water. It's just the way it goes. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm doing this in the microwave, and I'm going to put the power level on 50 and then put it on for 20 minutes. It may not need that much, but that's the way I like it. And once it's done, I'll start the video up again, and we'll see how it comes out. If I screw it up, I screw it up. If I don't, I don't. But I'm pretty sure it'll be fine. See you in a minute. Alright folks, let's see if I screwed it up or not. Let's see. Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. It's hot. Put it down here. It's hard to do this one-handed. Typically I do it two-handed. Look at that. Perfect rice. Perfect for me. I was watching the first part of the video back a few minutes ago. See if maybe I put too much salt in it. I think I might have. I'm not sure. Let me taste it real quick. I'll tell you. Not good. Hot. It's hot, but it's good. It's a little more salty than I typically do it, but it's definitely fine. I could just eat this straight. I don't need nothing else in it. But I am going to put something else in it in a minute. Anyway, I just wanted to show that's how I cook rice in the microwave in the truck and all that. It's real simple. So if you want to cook fresh stuff, you know, or your own stuff, real cheap, that's how you do it. That's how I do it anyway. Let me know what you think.